Oh shit, Joe. Let's go. I'm gonna see this bitch.
Uh-oh, we're going. We're going. We're off. We're off. Oh shit. This bitch got a fucking refrigerator hanging from the side of her van. We had to record this for y'all.
I'm about to get the outside view of this shit.
I'm recording
live, baby,
and driving.
We live.
Oh, we live. We're fucking live, dog. We're live.
Funniest videos, baby.
Oh, we're live.
We own it.
Actually, y'all see our old house with the girls.
Some butt too, though. Yeah, Yeah, now we're gonna switch back to this crazy ass Chicago shit. But no, real shit is how we do it in the Wayne, though, nigga.
Yeah, my police video right here, bro. In it. This is fucking crazy.
This shit is nuts.
This bitch for real has a fucking refrigerator.
Don't ever attempt to try this.
Man, pull over on the side of the road and shut off your vehicle.
We got guns. She got her blinkers on. She got her hazards on. Hell no, nigga. Gotta smoke a blunt after this shit.
Hell yeah. Fuck.
Hell no.
The hard part was getting the motherfucker out the house.
I should record kicking that bitch out through the door.
We are recording live.
We are live.
Look at her bending corners with a refrigerator on the side of the crib.
Boy, the boys see us right now.
Back on the spy cam.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, they got spy.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I had to exit out that motherfucker.
What would help us out? Well, no. The refrigerator we'd be the ones picking it up. I was like, if it falls, that'd be some funny shit.
Yeah.
But we'd be the ones picking it up.